So in this class we are going to discuss about the load. So what are the loads are acting on a body when you are going to study about the strength of material? Then what are the loads? So loads, we know that loads are the push load. You can see here. One is the push load and another is the pull, and next is the shear load, and again the bending load, and last one is the twisting load, twisting or torsion load we can say. So we have the this 1 2 3 4 5 loads are there. Okay, so what is the push load? Push load means if this is a body. Okay, when you talk about the push load, you can see this is a body. Okay, and when you apply load like this, okay, so this is one type of compression load, or this is the negative we can say. So this is the force F1 and this is also force F2. When the two forces are acting on a body, like the compression force, you can see the direction of the force like this, then this is known as the push load. Okay, so this is always the negative sign. And what is the pull load? Just it is the opposite of the push load. You can see here, this is a body. Okay, when you apply load from here this side, and you can see this side, this is the force. Okay, so this is the we can say the pull force. Okay, when the forces are acting the tensile force, or this is the we can say the positive force. So when the force are the pull like structure, pull also you can stretch the body from here to here and here to here. This is the stretching force. Okay, so this stretching force is known as pull force. This is also known as the tensile force, and it is the positive force. Okay, so what is the shear? What do we mean by the shear force? So it's very easy. Shear means we can say this is a body, you can see here, and the force is like this. This is a force F. When the force act at the parallel to the cross section, parallel, this is the parallel, you can see this is the force is like this F, and this is the cross sectional area of the body. So force act here as parallelly, means we can say पैरेलल फोर्स जब एक्ट करता है इसको हम shear force कहते हैं. Okay, so what is the bending force? If this is a body here and you are just applying a force to this body like this, this is the total body. Okay, so force is acted as in parallelly. So this is the parallel lines, you can see this is the body. So force is acting in as a parallel, so that we can say the parallel force is there. Okay, so what is the bending? Bending is nothing but you can see this is a structure or the body. When the forces act on this body, direct force we can say, that is the perpendicular force, means this is the cross sectional area and force is the applying at the in perpendicular. So this is the parallel, this is the perpendicular. When the perpendicular forces are act on a body, then we can say this is the bending force. So after the application of force, you can see the structure will like this. Okay, so after the application of force, the structure will be bent like this. So this is the bending force you can see. Okay, and next one you can see the twisting or the torsion force. So I'm just drawing the diagram at first. This is the y-axis. Okay. So when the force act like this, or you can see like this, then this will be twist or torsion occurs. Okay. जो टावल होता है इसको हम जब वो ऐसे निचोड़ते हैं, जो फोर्स लगता है इसको हम ट्विस्टिंग फोर्स बोलते हैं और टॉर्सन फोर्स बोलते हैं. So suppose this is a beam or a body. When you are applying the this type of force and this type of force, the opposite this type of force, when the towel होता है ना, इसको हम जब निचोड़ते हैं तो ऐसे निचोड़ते हैं ना, तो एक फोर्स यहाँ जाता है और एक फोर्स ऐसे आता है, तो ऊपर ये ऊपर आता है, ये नीचे जाता है, तो वो निचोड़ता है. ओके. तो ऐसे ही वो जो निचोड़ने वाला फोर्स होता है ना, वो टॉर्सन फोर्स होता है. वी कैन से दिस इज द ट्विस्टिंग और टॉर्सन. ओके. सो you have this forces. You can see load means pull, push, shear, bending and twist. Okay. So thanks all of you for watching this video. For brief explanation you can visit the YouTube channel. Thank you.